What I will do is that we have in this is the category of English Wikipedia Belgian painters. You can see it's also available in other language versions. But we start with the English one. Then we take this name, we jump over to Petscan. We have English. We Def 5 means that we start with Belgian painters and then we take subcategory, 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 subcategory. I have added on this page 7704. I take it away. And then I do a do. So that means that we do an English Wikipedia search for articles in this category. Interesting is that the English Wikipedia is big, but it doesn't have everything. So I guess we will find more people in the local version. No, it takes time. The dangerous thing about 5 levels, it means you never know what they have added at the lower level. If it's a good structure, it ends in people and so on. But it could be, someone could have added something odd. There we go, 590. I have a special style sheet here so you can see that I've been on those two just. What I have done is that I have updated the Swedish Wikipedia with links to Europeana. Now we go to this, so then we have 590. Now I can do adding this 7704, which is Europeana entity in Wikidata. So now he comes back and says that 305 of those has a Europeana out of 500. So that means that we have 200 which is not part of Europeana, but we can see that this one has Theodore Michaud. And what we can do then is that we can add the Europeana see if I have it here, a shortcut here. The template in Europeana is like that. Sorry, the template for linking Europeana using Wikidata is like that. So that means that I get a link here in the text. And I said external links. So when I've done that, I can see on page information that we have also a category Europeana. So that means that we have done this more than 234 times. So this was no, stupid me. This was Belgian painters, and I don't remember what we got. We can go down here. So Belgian painters, we have Ian, Wikipedia. We have with Europeana without. We have with is enough. So then we go look at the scan. We have 305 who has Europeana. If I do the same again and then take away that, we get, let's see if it's faster. Oh no, it's faster. Then we get 590. Category Belgian painters is same as Wikidata. Q7 or 9. And that means that we can go to another language version. Oh, sorry me. I go to the Netherlands. So then I have category Belgische Kunstschilder. So then I take that, jump to this, select NL, click on it, and then we get 1906. Without here is 590 minus this one then. So then we take NL, Wikipedia, and then we have 1906. Was that with the... Then we have to take P74. So 1906 is this one. And now we have number with Europeana. $524. So we can see it's a big diff. What can also be done, I have done some work with the Swedish one. So if we check what is the name of the Swedish category, we have it down here, belgiska målare. So then I go over here, I select the Swedish one, Wikipedia 5 levels, hope it's good structured, and then we say search. So then we have Wikipedia. $41, and that was 41 with this one. What I have done in the Swedish one is that I also has been created a template called Europeana. So then I can ask for Swedish Wikipedia, Belgische painters with 7704 that has Europeana template in it. And then I get 17. So then if we go to Anna Boch, this is the Wikidata, and then we can find at the bottom the Swedish Anna Boch, and Anna Boch has this template here. So if we look here, it's Europeana. So then if I click on this one, it will go down to Wikidata, find the ID and jump to Anna Boch. So then I can also do has not Europeana template. And we go back to this one. We take the has all of this one, has any, has none. And then I do a search. So now we see 24. Red is that I have been to those pages. We can check here if it's good or bad. So now I jump to the Wikidata item. We know that it's a Swedish article for it. Yes. We know it's European entity and it has material. So then I do that. I go to this and add, no, it's Swedish, in Swedish Wikipedia. So I add a link to Commons, which is Wikidata. Let's see if it works. It works. And then we click on that one, and that's the link to over there. So then we have added external sources, template Europeana, but in Swedish. So it's the problem I can see here is that we don't know how much material it is in Europeana. For some countries it's very good, for others it's less good. But this one looks good enough. I didn't check it so much. The feedback we got from the EN Wikipedia was that when they checked, they didn't trust what's in Wikidata, in Europeana. So here is the link to Wikicommons, which is okay, and this is the link here, so that's okay. And then I add the Europeana here, and I comment it and say we have an external link, template Europeana. I do another one. Henry Glay, but it looks like the people has done good work down here. Yes. External links, it's just to Swedish source. I say edit, I add a comment, and then I add this template that use Wikidata. So that looks good, and then I do publish, and then we also get on the sorry, wrong side. In this template also a hidden category is set. No, stupid me. Page information, and then we can find Europeana link here. So that now it means that we have 1062 matches. And if I go down here on this report, we can see number of viewers, tools, quality views. So this is Swedish Wikipedia, and I say please find all items in category Europeana in the Swedish Wikipedia. It's 1062, and our latest friend, I guess, was maybe this one, was it? Henrik Leis, yes. And then we can see here, we have 2.5 million hits 2019, and if I do a search, maybe we get a hit on him. No, Henrik here. It was 74 people accessing that page 2019. That's how Petscan can be used.